onions, or mas maganda yung sibuyas Tagalog. Okay, around half cup. Now, we add our garlic. Ito, mga half bulb of garlic. Parang 5 to 6. Next, we will add red wine. Ayan, add tayo na yung red wine. Around half cup. I-glaze natin siya. Tapos, i-reduce natin siya into half. Ayan, as you can see, na-reduce na yung red wine. Ayan, very concentrated na to. Sasata tomato puree. Pinasok ko dito. Ito ang ating tomato sauce. So, mix natin ito ng konti. After around 5 minutes siya kumukulo. Next, we add our chicken stock. Okay, so pwede sa vegetable stock, chicken stock. Ayan, half cup lang. Ayan, let's now season our sauce. Ayan, maglagay tayo ng 1 teaspoon of sugar. Ayan, para mabalance off yung asin niya. Italian seasoning. Ayan, so around 1 teaspoon din. Then, mag-add tayo ng black pepper. And mix natin all together. So, simmer natin ito ulit for another 5 minutes and then tikman natin yung ating sauce. So, check natin muna mga around 200 grams lang siguro. Dahil konti lang yung ating sauce. Our pasta, and we're going to top it off with some mushrooms on top. Ayan. Wow. So here now is our pasta.